Hello, I am David, the AI-powered tutor. Did you know that this video series was created using an artificial intelligence-powered video automation bot? If you would like to know more about its features, please visit ai.datascience.one. Hello world. Welcome to the Introduction to Python Programming video tutorial by Data Science Academy. Before we dive into looping techniques, we will learn how to create, edit, store, and execute Python scripts within idle. From the File menu of idle, select New File. This opens a new window where we can type our Python code. Save this code as a script file, with the extension .py. This file is known as a Python script. The full path of the current script is displayed as the window title. We can have a look at the other menu options available. From the Run menu, select Run Module to execute the script in the idle. Based on the script, one may need to run the script multiple times if needed. This also helps in troubleshooting our code. The Python script can also be executed from the terminal. First we locate our present working directory with the Linux command, pwd. Then we invoke Python followed by the name of the script. We will learn how to execute a Python script outside idle, under Windows operating system. By default, Python scripts are stored in the location shown here. We open the Windows program CMD in this folder. When we call Python followed by the name of the script, the Python script is executed. We hope that you learned something new today. Practice what you learned. And see you soon in the next video of this Python programming series. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed learning, please like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.